Today I'd like to introduce a new developed product from Xtool company. Now we open the box. We can see the specification, certification, diagnostic box, and the extension cable. Now we show you with an iPhone. Open the Apple Store and search Anyscan. You will see Xtool Anyscan. Click it to download and install. Next we explain how to register and activate the Anyscan A30. The activation page will pop up when open the app. First we need to enter an activation code. In the certification, there is 6-digit of letters and figures. Letters must be capitalized. Serial number is on the back of the machine. Then set up your username and email account. It must be a real email address that you can use it to. Then we begin to download the software, as the app of our phone not contain the software. We need to activate it and finish updating all the downloaded software. The software is large. Please connect Wi-Fi to download. Connect and test your car, and we connect Anyscan A30 to the car for testing. First use the SIN end of the extension cord to connect to the car OBD interface. Generally it is under left of the driver's seat. Another end connect with Anyscan A30. It shows voltage connect successfully. Get on the car and switch ignition on. Match the Bluetooth from the software of your phone. Choose your car model. What we testing is an Audi A6L 2011. We can see here are 3 options: quick testing, scan system and selection system. Quick testing and scan system are they can automatically scan the whole system for the cars which are supported. We choose quick testing, which supports a broad range of systems. Because scan time is too long, we can only show you part of this. Here we see all the systems of the car. Choose one of them to coding engine control module. Click to read the information and successfully to get it. Read fault code. We'll see this no fault in it anymore.